Page 112. This is a lesson on intervals, more specifically intervals of 6, 7, and 8. I have no idea why we need a lesson on this, but it's in the book, so okay. As far as I'm concerned, as long as you know how to figure out an interval, that's close enough. And you will, over time, learn to just recognize them in the music, because you see them so much. You'll just recognize them. Other than that, I don't have a lot to say on them. Let's just talk about intervals 6, 7, and 8. Going to use C major, it's the white keys again. Remember, when you're counting intervals, you're using the keys, the notes, in the key signature, or whatever it is. So it's like if I were in E flat major, it has 3 flats here. A B flat, an E flat, and an A flat. So if I want to count an interval, I got to use those black keys instead of the white keys. That's all it is. So like in C major, if I want a fifth here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But in E flat major here, if I want a fifth, I got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I got to stay within the key. And that's what, I'm going to use the white keys because it's easier to see them. So we have the 5th, the 6th, this is what this is, and 7th, and 8. And 8 is an octave. 8 means oct, it's letter to letter. C to C, D to D, F to F, whatever. And 7th is just one less than that. That's all. You see them in the music there at the bottom of page 112. They have the seconds, third, they have the broken and blocked, okay, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then they do it with the left hand too. You can go the other way. I go here. That's a second, third, fourth, 5th, 5th. Okay, they do it whichever way, but that's, I don't have a lot to say on intervals. There are different flavors of intervals. Someday I suppose they'll get into that, because we've had, like in the triads, we've had major, minor, augmented, and diminished. Well, similar stuff with the intervals, because you got a major triad, a major third, and minor third. So we've already had it on the thirds. Now at the bottom here, there's a note to transpose these to F major and B flat major. Again, just start on those notes, and you go up the scale. F major has 1 flat here. So when you get to anything involving a B, you got to use the B flat. So I'm going to do both hands together. Yeah, whatever. B flat major, again here, it has a B flat and an E flat. So you got to use those instead of the B and E. You use those, and it's here. You see how it works? Just stay within the key signature you're in. I don't have a lot else to say on this. You can let me know if you have questions, but that's intervals. As long as you know what they are for now, I guess.